Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video we will install Outlander hood emblem. If your Outlander doesn't have one, you can go to mrmitsubishi.ca and order one for you and follow the steps in this video. Very easy to install. You need masking tape, you need the hood emblem, a little bit of time and patience, and you're good to go. So again, the website is mrmitsubishi.ca. I ship to Canada, US, Puerto Rico, Australia, Hawaii, everywhere basically. Free shipping comes with tracking and insurance, so that's the most important part. Now let's check out what we have in the box. Because this one we went all black edition, we deleted the chrome and everything else, we will install a black Outlander hood emblem. So comes very nicely packaged like this. And this, by the way, is an OEM part, good quality part. So let's put it on here. What do we have? Outlander. And we can puzzle it together like this. And this is sort of like the mark against the Mitsubishi logo, so you know where exactly the middle is. And this is why we need the masking tape for, because we want it rested right here, and then we want to position it well so it doesn't fall off like this. Okay, let's get going. Fairly easy to do, but I've done quite a few of these installs, so it's probably a bit faster for me to do. Like if you're doing it the very first time, just take your time. Don't rush. Make sure it's positioned correctly. Okay, we want to start with the middle part. Okay, and then we can see how we can align it against this Mitsubishi logo and against the hood line. So it's fairly easy to say which one is the best one. Okay, now we want to do this, and same thing. Now we can use the hood line as a reference to make sure it's all nice and straight, and we'll be happy with the way it sits. And it's very easy. It's exactly same like putting the puzzle together, and it's nice and fun. Now, when you're doing these installs, make sure you're doing it somewhere where the metal is not hot. Like right now, you ideally don't want to do it in direct sunlight, but right now is very early morning. The metal is not hot, the sun is not hot, so I can do it outside. If I do it in the afternoon when it becomes really hot, I would do it in the shadow when the metal is cold or cool. You don't want to do it when it's too hot, when it's too cold. So, okay, now that we found exactly the perfect location, literally the only thing we want to do is flip it over like this, remove the tape, and now the letters become very, very sticky. Now you got to be slow, careful, and take your time. Flip it over, make sure everything happens the way you want. Okay, we have it right here. We do it same thing with the middle part. Also, we want to make sure that the surface is clean. I already cleaned it off. You want to degrease the surface with glass cleaner or any degreaser. Okay, now the last piece of the puzzle. Okay, now that everything's on, we can apply a little bit more pressure. Don't go too crazy. You don't want to bend the hood. And give it a few days to set in. And then afterwards, you can go through car washes and everything else. It makes no difference. It's a very good, durable product. Okay, there we go. And the cool thing about this particular side molding install is, you know, you don't leave fingerprints because you have this tape on there. And as we remove this foam and tape, we are left with very, very clean hood emblem. Okay. Okay, let's do it. So we'll remove this transparent tape like this, and then the foam, and we will be left with a nice end result. So let's step back a bit now to enjoy the end result. I really, really like how it turned out, especially now that we deleted the chrome and everything else. This Outlander hood emblem just finishes off the looks real good. This turned out quite nicely and it was very easy, like you saw, to install. If your vehicle doesn't have it, the Outlander hood emblem, order it. Very easy to install. Do-it-yourself video here. You can stop and re-watch this video as many times you want to achieve the perfect time. Just take your time, don't rush, and you'll be good to go. And this is such a small thing, adds a huge visual impact. So thank you so much for joining me today in this video, and see you next time around.